I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?
Me tan in full effect. Me catch my color. Yeah, me catch my color, man, since me come. I got like 2 shades darker. Oh, okay. Oh, there's some? Oh, okay. Hi, Prom Prom. Look at my face. No, not true. Me put the camera up on her.
auntie live in Ochi.
Oh, okay, okay. You can't get your shoes. Efan. Hold this thing.
Ready? I'm so funny then.
Oh, damn, you really in our money.
This is the best.
Look at the kicks.
Wait, you was mumbling.
I even know.
Aquan,
What?
you used to be vlogging here.
You were busy.
We're busy.
Oh my God, Jesus!
I know.
She don't miss nothing.
She gets everything.
Hello, hi.
My
This is your
husband.
husband. Nice to meet you. Oh God. Oh God. Come on, give me a hug.
Right?
Yes.
Hi, buddy. How are you? I know. How you feeling? I know.
Here, hold it. Here, record them.
Just don't do too much. I know.
I can do it.
I just say like a little tone. It's like your Say hi. Say hi to Grandpa. Where are you go? You want to use the bathroom? Okay. All right. Go. Okay. I'll show you. Right. You can buy a juice from her here at the shop. Huh? At the shop you can buy a juice. Shop? Okay. So guys, this is as told by Amanda Dad.
Yes, I know.
She wanted me to video, but I should video content for her. I said content for me.
I mean, she take after one. We love that, you know, when we go.
Yes,
Yes, man, we have to get everything.
I know.
Yes, man. So you want to have a big cousin now, big
Right?
big sister, good one.
You want a juice?
Take out grandma, and then just deny him, you give her up in her.
Yeah.
Replace him.
Oh, Geisel. A Geisel or Eins come from
No, it could be Cleartown, Einstein.
Einstein, but there's some, yeah.
Well, not because I'm told, because look at my father, named Smith, right?
Yeah.
And there's a lot of Smith. And in the and he's going England. And he needs 7 way out there, which means the eldest one.
Yeah.
And when he go up there, we realize I 8 more up there.
Oh. Huh? You get where? Huh? Your mama?
Africans.
Huh?
Don't let mama say escape. She going on. Papa.
Only 2 of us is here because everybody gone.
When I found out yesterday, one day, I said, right where you sit down. And it feels funny to me. Right where you sit
How
down.
much kids, yeah?
4.
Oh.
Right where you sit down, that's where I live.
Yeah, just say relax.
Down where people go.
Hey girl, no running.
But he, you know, he's going here. Yeah, man, he ain't going there.
Where you running?
Where's the washroom?
Bathroom? Yeah. But next one, this is that one straight one, that's it.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Thank you.
Promise, what you looking for?
Make him, baby, you know, man, I show them stay.
Yeah? Guys, mommy have okay. Mommy have food for it. She tell me for vlog for you, I'm tell her for me.
Oh my God.
But it wasn't a bad drive. I had it right close to the road.
Close to the road. That's what I'm saying. It's not really, far off
Yeah.
the road, but
Because I was thinking like you're back. What?
And the over there, so maybe you don't get the time for us.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, so over there is where the shop is?
That's where the shop was, but
So where you moving to now?
inside here is going to be right.
Oh, so that
Yes, on the shop.
okay, so you just bring this.
Right.
Oh, this one find the shop. Okay. Okay. I see how you do it now, mommy. Promise? She find too much to do. No, she didn't fall down.
Okay, turn on the light.
Come.
This is around here.
This is where you cook.
No, I cook like you went at the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
But I'm a pin the clothes them out there.
Oh.
Right out in the room.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, so this is the backyard?
Yes.
Our side.
The side. The side.
Okay.
Look, Mom.
Yes. Yeah, outside, but you're not going.
I like the shop.
You like the shop?
Lots of things. Kool-Aid.
This is the shop now.
Oh, okay.
Look!
You can buy juice from mommy, money.
How much is this?
Mommy, you have the small, bigger?
The small one.
Bigger. Come this way. Or Buster. Yeah, you can buy.
How much is this?
So guys, mommy cooking was... Guys, so I see where Amanda get her cooking skills from. Oh God. I see where she gets her cooking skills from, guys.
I was pulling her leg. I saw a little solidarity truck
Yeah.
where you get a kitchen and everything in it. I said, you need to buy one of that and let me come and do it.
Right? But mommy, that's our plan. And God is going to manifest it. We're going to open.
So yeah, they're going to go and go.
So daddy drinking out, guys. Oh God. But you guys pretty soon need to take a little trip though, mommy.
I need it. I need the rest.
But then I really want to go. We still can't leave it here. We can't just jump and go.
Can't leave, yeah. Can't leave the place.
You know what is my plan?
Yeah.
Right now, I just get fed up with Jamaica.
It's true.
Can't make it.
And everything is so overpriced. Yeah.
Our best to do it.
Yeah.
But just trying to I need to show you over this. I'll do it around.
Okay, sure, man.
Yeah, that you want to go ashore? Let me just finish clearing the 2 members.
Okay.
I mean, me ready, you know.
Okay. Guys, this was Mandy's room.
You know, we have to put stuff on the bed, right?
Yes. No, exactly. This was Mandy's room, guys. Wait. guys. The police pulled over my dad. Saying disobey the red light.
I didn't give me trip and I saw the trip lead with you.
You say I
See the meat man? Now we see where the meat come from.
I can't tell you what. In can't spoil a surprise.
Alright.
Come on in. This is cousin.
Oh, see the wall I don't want to listen to this, so don't.
This is cousin. I know. This is my cousin, babe.
Nice to meet you. That promise? That's not promise.
Auntie Maxine told me say a baby down here named Promise too.
Promise?
Yeah.
I wouldn't promise.
Hey, Auntie Maxine, tell her that daddy. Say Auntie Maxine not going right. When she hear Promise name, she's like, one baby over to name Promise to man.
You know that I promise.
You step in and go put her out there so she gone up and step in.
Listen. So guys, my vlog is coming to an end. I got to see my family that I haven't seen in a long time. Promise? Why are you so rude? What do you think someone would have this so rude? Guys, look for my best friend for 10 years. Guys, this is Amanda's best friend. She said, make sure we say best friend for 10 But wait, hey, Mariana Jane Justice, you're so beautiful. Oh my God. Look what's gonna see now. Oh my gosh. Cameron, you are so beautiful, girl. Cameron and they are not just there. Nice meeting you. Sorry, say Cambia.
Right?
Better, you know? Nadine, your best friend there.
Bye. Remember to like,
Alright, okay.
subscribe and share.
Alright.
Crap out that part. Crap out that part.
Good morning, guys. So, guys, today is Friday. Guys, me take off the weekday. Guys, I got gig study yesterday, and he took that one. I had to take it off. But anyway, guys, welcome to another vlog. If you have not yet subscribed to Lifestyle with Yoli, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share my vlogs, guys. And for those who have already subscribed, for those who have liked my video, for those who have been commenting, I appreciate the love. So guys, as I was saying, today is Friday, and the boys, one want to go get a haircut. Where's your bag with your money? Whoa. One want to go get a haircut. Yeah, sorry guys. A truck is passing by. So, I think my lashes in my eyes. He has on his shoes. So, one wants to go get a haircut, and the other wants to go get his hair twist. And you guys keep talking and let the taxi come and see if I don't leave you, Aquan. Because you're like 2 years old. Stop acting like you're 5. There's a taxi coming. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Oh, there's a lash in my eyes. Yeah, 2 taxi pass empty gone down. Why you forget your bag? You know, like spend your money. Where you can go Canada?
I would like to spend it.
Yes, guys. So me have to buy them up more time, guys. My lash about on my high this morning. So guys, yeah, and I'm gonna go get my nails done, guys. Yeah, I was at the salon a couple days ago, and I saw somebody getting their nails done, guys. When I tell you the work was immaculate, guys. Aquan, the taxi is coming. Yes, guys, so we're going into town.
Yeah, man.
Go in the back. Are you coming with me? You crazy. You crazy kid. Good morning.
Morning.
Yes, guys.
We are unavailable and temporary this and that.
Yes, guys. So we're late. My appointment is 9, but we are running late.
Alright.
But as usual, guys, taking you guys along. All right. So, guys, we're here. It's across the road over there, but I guess we were rushing, but yes, but yeah, so come out the water. Yes, so guys, we came to our appointment about very early. Somebody's gonna get their hair twist, and somebody, hey, money. Come from the bin, and somebody's gonna get a fresh haircut.
What, tapered?
Haircut.
Tapered.
No,
Mom,
no tapered.
I gave you $100.
You gave me 100, but you know how much food me buy for you? Yes, God. Hey. guys. But this is called Stay. I was telling my mom about your shop. About this, I was telling my mom about you. She's like, oh, she didn't know. You recently started doing nails here, or it's been a while?
Me, they year feel level.
All year? Or
Me they year something.
11 months?
They feel 11 months and then we go away.
Oh, okay, okay.
Go away for 5 months and come back 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay, okay. So guys, this is her. I'll show you her work when she's done. It's called press on.
Press on, you have to draft fast, you leave.
But the good thing, you can help yourself.
I wanted to come to this to me here yesterday.
Oh, it's a girl. It's Stacey. Oh, did you hear? Oh, okay. I had to pull off my other one. My God. I went to Kingston yesterday. And that eats under that place.
Welcome to Jam, girl.
Will come before you.
Early bird catches the most worms.
Good morning.
How much worm you ever catch?
Who, me?
Yes. I wonder if I catch only for worm today. God, Jesus, you only had a head for all
I hope the barber
I just
comes
so early in the
early.
morning, Angie, man.
You know me always a dead for all.
So we better she go early.
That is the story of my life.
Hungry.
Yes, I'm always hungry.
Morning, people.
Good morning.
Sister, I'm market make up for my own.
This is just
I didn't kind of make out. Can blow it here a little more. Tell her how you like it.
Yeah,
Are you
I'm
doing
blowing
it to the side? Or are you doing do the center part and do it to the side? Huh?
When you fall in to the front.
He likes when it fall, but he always ties it down and sticks everywhere. What do you want to do?
To the
Come on
front.
your forehead?
To the front this time.
All the time.
You want to fall to the front?
Mom told me to. Mom told me to.
What?
Mom told me to.
Mustard a yellow.
A yellow you call it?
And a mustard that a yellow. What color is this?
This is yellow.
Yeah, that's yellow.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're done.
This is a ratty wedding
Yellow reception.
in Bustabel at
So how's your day today?
Oh, okay.
and was
Or don't answer.
under the 10 years set up.
It's like good when you know, just outside of your work clothes, you know, it's just
If I in me shop them with my sleeve and my long tights and my socks and all.
but you
these
know,
things.
it's good to protect your skin. guys, you're too up in my face. Back up. Watch the lady. So guys, if you're in Jamaica, if you're in Rockabessa and you're looking for a nail tech, Shauna Lee is the girl to come and check.
Stay Sweet Beauty Salon.
Stay Sweet. Here you go. Stay Sweet Beauty Salon in Rockabessa. I feel like you screwed up my video just now. Let me see. Pause. Let me see. Look at Mr. Handsome. So guys, if you're in Rockabessa, see? Advertise yourself, Baba.
There you go. Representing the Jamaica greatest barbers. Think of what up there? Oh my God.
Guys, look how some acorns here is neat. Stacey, you need to sell yourself. Tell them if they're in Rockabessa where to come.
You are in Rockabessa, you come to Stay Sweet Salon. You get nothing but the best.
Alright. The hair speaks for itself, guys.
Wait, no, Kim?
Guys, look for fresh twist. Turn around, turn around. Hey. Guys, I'm sorry to be in a vlog with convos because it was so much fun. Yes, but this is my cousin Sush. Don't worry, it's reality TV. Yeah, and then I have my best friend, my best bestie. I'm a guy baby over this to turn young miss now. 18? 18? Shy. Tell the lifestylers hi. Say hi to them. Say hi. Say hi, lifestylers. And that's what. Listen to the, tell the lifestylers that I from. Huh? I don't laugh. See, she's not, we promise she's gonna share her daddy. She's not jealous. No. She's not jealous. We're gonna sit there because if you want to come, but yeah, work. Yeah, work. But we get right, come down, so.
Where you gonna come on? You are black in left yard? Which way they want
in better than Duppy?
Where you going?
Go get your
Watch
shoes.
him here, you like that. Come, when then?
Nah, chumli ama.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Alright, babe. It was nice seeing you guys. It was a fun. Watch on the step. Do. Later. Alright. Yes. Alright. Yeah.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you